so I'm having technical issues over here. It's been a while since I've gotten to see everybody, or y'all got to see me. Um, the summer was just too hot, and this room doesn't have air conditioning. But I wanted to come on because I've received some happy mail. I've received some winnings from giveaways. I wanted to give some shout outs. And I'd like to celebrate hitting 4,000 subscribers, a little over 4,000. So I want to thank my subscribers by offering a small giveaway. I can't give a lot because, I'm on a fixed income. YouTube isn't giving me any money. We're not monetized. So let me see if I can find it. Yes, here we go. This is gorgeous, if you can see this. This is beautiful. This is Facets yarn, and this is the color Electric. I'll tell you what, this is very, very, very soft yarn. I mean, really soft. This will make a gorgeous scarf. Let's see if I can adjust the screen a little bit. Here we go. I bought a webcam to use, and it worked the last time I used it when I made a video, and this time it won't work. And I have the upgraded version of Magix. Just for someone like me, most of us YouTubers, we're just hobbyists. We don't need to go to college to learn how to operate, a damn video program. But I had a pair of scissors. What have we got here? Oh, Angie Bell. Angie from My Fairy Treasures. She was on live, and I scrolling through YouTube, the streets of YouTube, and stumbled on her live show, and it was fun. See a lot of us the same friendly faces on the streets of YouTube. We travel the same circles, And I won a giveaway, and I've had this now for a couple of months, I would say. I didn't want to open it. I wanted to save it until I could make a video, and it's just been so hard just making a video. So let's see what we've got here. I think it was like a red sparkle yarn for 4-weight, which is great because I have black sparkle yarn 4-weight. Big twist. I love big twist yarn. I love sparkle. My favorite color, sparkle. And I'm trying to do. Oh well. Let's just get jiggy with it. Tear into it. Try to be careful so I don't rip anything inside, but and of course I'm surrounded by cats. Who's behind me, rascal? Oh, pretty, pretty, pretty. Get ready to see this. Oh, and she enclosed a bonus prize. Oh my God, look, an adult coloring book. And I've got pastels. I could probably do some real pretty stuff with this. Oh, I love the smell of new books. Oh, looks like a little tiny, what is that, a baby fox? I love foxes. I just don't want them near my chicken coop. Oh, wow, all kinds of neat stuff. Oh, wow, big old kitty cat. Wow. Gotta love the kitty cat. So anyway, she sent me 4 skeins of Mary Maxim Sparkle. And the color is rouge or red. And that'll look nice with the black sparkle. I'm thinking maybe a poncho with the stripes. That should have a slimming effect, no? All the stripes going down like that. Black, red, black, red. That was very... And thank you, Angie, at My Fairy Treasures. Check her out. She's a doll. She wears this cute bow in her hair. It's like her little shtick she learned from somebody. She sounded like that. And she looks so cute. She's got long, gorgeous hair. And she is a very talented artist. She's very artsy. She crochets. She knits. She does yarn art. I mean, she spins yarn. Paper crafts, mixed media. I mean, really talented. Even if you don't want to do all that stuff yourself, it's a lot of fun watching her do it with the mixed media content and paper crafts. So I have some paper craft stuff here at the house. I just don't have the room to do the stuff I want. I don't have a room to put all the stuff away that I have. So it's another thing too. My bedroom, it's trying to clean up and make a space to do videos, and not that easy. I need a bigger house. And this is, let's see, D Creator's Hands Crochet. You gotta see, if you don't know D's Creative Hands Crochet, you are missing out on so much fun. That lady's got a heart the size, I got a gnat flying around. She's got a heart the size of Kansas, I'm telling you. And she's got so much yarn. She reminds me, how's that poem go? There was an old lady who lived in a shoe. She's got so much yarn, she don't know what to do. So she'll do, little giveaways and Happy Mail. This is Happy Mail. I wasn't expecting this. So I've been holding on to it. And I'm like a little kid, right now I'm surrounded by stuff. It's like Christmas morning. I grew up an only child, and Daddy spoiled me rotten. I was a daddy's girl. Now that dining room would be halfway filled up with presents. I'd spend half the day opening presents. So right now I'm surrounded by all these goodies, which I've been holding off because I wanted to share. And I do hope this thing is recording because I'll be very upset. Ooh! Ooh! Look at this! Oh, and I just bought a yarn ball winder. Oh, I'm going to have to do a review on the yarn ball winder. How awesome! Look at what she sent me. Oh my God! Yarn Bee Authentic Hand-Dyed Luxe. This is called November Sky. How appropriate, because September, October is only 2 months, so that is gorgeous. It's got sparkle! Oh, 2 Novembers. Oh, it's soft. Very soft. Soft scarfable and it smells good. As our beloved Crystal from Bag O' Day Crochet would say. Everybody knows Bag O' Day. And if you don't, you're living under a rock. Look at this one. This is cool watermelon. Oh, these are gorgeous. Wow. And again, this is Happy Meal. I remember one of the YouTubers, I can't remember who it was. I think she was going to quit YouTube. I don't know why. I do remember her saying that she never got any Happy Mail. And that made me feel bad. And I wish I knew who it was so I could send her some Happy Mail. I've got plenty of yarn. I'd have a little light over here. Maybe this light will help. I've been in a lot of pain too, guys. I deal with a back issue, so. Whoa! Hello! Can you see me now? Oh my goodness, there's more. Oh my God, look at this. Cotton Kings. I'm pretty sure this is from Hobie. Hobie, and I'll tell you what, this stuff is very dear. Very dear. I only buy it when it goes on sale. And even on sale, it's dear. It comes all the way from Denmark. Bless her heart. Thank you, Dee. The cat's getting up and moving around this way to Tim. This is a Rainbow Rhapsody, Crimson Poppies, and this is Yarn Bee. Wow. It's all cotton. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. How sweet of her to do that. I think there's a note. Oh, there's a note. Let's see. Dear Christy, I just wanted to send a thanks for all your hard work as a moderator on my lives. I truly appreciate all you do for me. I will be sending goodies from time to time, if that's all right. Of course that's all right, Dee. I love it. Are you kidding? And I love that. I just, Happy Meals, it makes me happy, and it makes you happy to send Happy Meals. So it's a win-win. Just a thanks again. P.S. If you made something, I'd love to see it. We'll get to it. Right now I'm working on finishing up a project that I made for Granny D. I can't show you the project, but I will tell you why I'm making her something. I'm also making something for Ola Joe, the crocheting sailor. And I can't show you that either, but I will tell you maybe I shouldn't because I don't know. I really want to, but maybe I shouldn't. All I know, it's her favorite color and it sparkles. That's all I can tell you. She'll just have to wait until she gets it. And it says, thank you, Yarny Sis, much love, Dee. And yeah, I love Dee. I'll tell you, this community has been amazing. I only got involved maybe last October, and that's thanks to Ralph's Trucking, my former co-worker, and he knew Granny D. He was familiar with her. And he turned me on to Granny D. And I think it was around Halloween because she was wearing that crazy witch's hat she made in all the colors. I said, she's eccentric. I like her. I like people that are different. What do we got here? Oh, my sweetheart, Tank. I almost said Frank. Tank. I love to crochet. Sent me some happy mail. I'm getting off track here. I'm babbling. I'm all excited now. Hyperventilating. Oh! This is why I'm making Granny D a very wonderful thing that I'm trying to get the edging on, and I'm dealing with some yarn bark at the very end, of course. At the very end, I'm working my way. I'm dealing with that for the last 2 days. She won a Furls hook on Ola Joe, the crocheting sailor. Her first name is Andrea. She won a Furls hook on the giveaway, and I was in the live, and it was members only. Well, she graciously gifted me the furls. Wow. I mean, wow. So believe me, when someone shows me an act of kindness like that, I'm going to show my gratitude in return. So I'm making her something very nice. And again, that's why I'm making Ola Joe something that's her favorite color in the sparkles. And I want to make something else too, but it won't be yarn. It'll be a craft item. And in fact, I'm waiting on some rhinestones to come. I got a lot of crafty bits and bobs and doodads. And one of the channels I used to love to watch before I got involved with the crochet community is Happy Bird's Glitter Nest. Her name is Lori, and she's a very sweet lady. And let me tell you, I have made some awesome crafts watching her at affordable crafts. The beautiful things you can make with things like a brown paper lunch bag or price tags. I made Christmas ornaments with price tags. They're absolutely gorgeous. I'm just in the way. Yeah. One of the Kit Kats is doing their business. Furls Fiber Arts. Yarn Barb from Ola Joe. Let's see here. I think it's in this. And I'm going to save the paper because one of the things I might be mailing out might be glass. I have to save the paper. It's in here. They really wrap it well. I got a lot of paper in this box. Thank you. Your Furls package is here, and it's time to get crafting. Yes, before you dig in, consider doing an unboxing video and tagging us on social media. I love my Furls. Furls is the hook to have. Even if you don't use it, you just say, oh yes, I own a Furls. And I think this is the Jupiter hook. And again, Ola Joe had a giveaway on her members only live. Granny D won the Furls. I was like, oh, geez, come on, Granny D. I said, you're always winning Furls. I'm such a brat. So you're always winning Furls. And so she blessed me with the, what will yours look like? But this is wood resin. I don't know what to, let's open it. Oh my God, oh my God. Oh. Oh, look at that beautiful coloration. And it's got sparkle. And it's a size J. Oh, that's a beautiful, look at that. Oh, it's so smooth. The yarn is just going to glide over this like butter. Like melted butter. Thank you, Ola Joe, for having the giveaway. And thank you, Granny D, for gifting it to me. I mean, this is a blessing, truly. In fact, Granny D might be coming on any minute. Oops, I think she's on. Yikes. I don't want to miss Granny D. But I don't know how to pause this video. Let's see if I can. Oh my God, I got more goodies I can't wait to share with you. Let's see if I can pause this and then come back, because I got to be there for Granny D. Can't miss Granny D.